we're going to share 10 things that you will love about the Carnival Sunshine.
That's right.
Starting with number 1, the Havana Bar. The Havana Bar is a nice space with a awesome crew of bartenders. They'll make your drinks. You can sit there and enjoy the ambience of the Havana vibe, a Cuban-themed area. They've got these faux palm trees, and there's a big sitting area there. It's actually a good area. You can go there and just eat because it's near the buffet.
Or it's a great meeting place.
Yep.
You know, if one person wants to do one thing and you want to later meet back at a certain location, Havana Bar is the place to meet.
Yeah, they have a lot of great seating. You can go there and you can play cards, meet friends, and have a drink. It was my favorite bar on Carnival Sunshine, and we've included this bartender, and you may have seen him before on our channel because he was so happy to serve us and did a great job.
He made great mango daiquiris.
Yes. So be sure to check out the Havana Bar. Tip number 2.
Tip number 2 is Gigi Asian Kitchen. Oh, I love me some Asian food.
Yeah, Gigi Asian Kitchen was delicious. A lot of interesting, kind of like Asian fusion type food.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, everything from traditionals like kung pao chicken to their master stock pig, basmati rice. A lot of great food, and we'll pop up the menu on here. If you've got a big enough screen, you can check this out. But a lot of great food. Not a lot of Carnival ships have Gigi Asian Kitchen, but Carnival Sunshine, in fact, they might have been the first one to have Gigi Asian Kitchen, has a Gigi Asian Kitchen. They have the food at lunchtime. They serve up food in a wok, and that is included. You don't have to pay extra for that.
It's like a big bowl.
Yeah, like a big bowl. And at dinner time, it's a specialty restaurant. It's going to cost you a little extra, but we found it to be worth it. And
yeah, they kind of have Asian food from all over the world.
So what number 3 is going to be the Serenity area. The Serenity Retreat for adults is a larger than most ships. It's on 3 different levels. The Serenity Retreat takes up these 3 levels at the front of the ship. It even has a waterfall and with a hot tub. And then up above this level, there's another hot tub that has a bar, a Serenity Retreat bar.
Nice.
Lots of comfortable seating. They even have little beds.
Oh, I like those beds.
For anyone 21 or older, you gotta check out the Serenity Retreat on Carnival Sunshine. That was one of the Serenity Retreats are great on all the Carnival ships, but they really hit it out of the park on this one. Carnival Sunshine's Serenity Retreat. What is the 4th thing you'll love about
the
Carnival
4th
Sunshine?
thing is Cucina del Capitano.
Oh yeah,
I love me some Italian food.
Yeah,
I love anything pasta. It's
great
so good.
service. Yeah, they had some great pasta, great appetizers and desserts. I think you got tiramisu. I got cannoli. And I know your favorite thing, Cucina del Capitano, is also one of the first things you get.
The garlic bread.
Garlic bread. So good. Just mounds of shredded Parmesan cheese on the garlic bread. Pull apart bread. So delicious.
It is fantastic.
Yes. So let's go on to number 5. The 5th thing you'll love about Carnival Sunshine is Ocean Plaza. Like some other ships in Carnival's fleet, they've got an Ocean Plaza area, but our favorite that we've seen so far was on Carnival Sunshine, and it's a great little area just outside of the Red Frog Pub, and it's got activities. Here you can see there's kids and adults learning how to make the towel animals. They've also had karaoke. You learned how to dance there.
I did.
And they have live music, entertainment. There was another time where they had the Build-A-Bear workshop there where people could purchase and make their own bears to take home. The Ocean Plaza is a spot you'll want to find early on when you get on board the Carnival Sunshine. It's a great spot to hang out, and it's near a lot of other cool stuff.
And they do a lot of activities.
They do.
Trivia, dancing, crafts.
Yep. What's another great area on the ship? Number 6, the 6th thing you'll love about Carnival Sunshine.
The Sunshine Atrium and Bar.
Yeah. Yeah, and that was, you may see this when you first board the ship, and you'll see on our title cards that we're showing, you've got this big sun looking thing, like a piece of art, and that is in the Sunshine Atrium. And it's one of the coolest looks for an atrium on all the ships we've been on. And it's located right below this big sun is the bar. And it's a round, all the way around. You can sit, you can grab drinks during the day and just relax. And at night, it gets more lively. There's lively and there's entertainment.
People dancing on the bar.
People dancing on the bar. The cruise directors sometimes will go down there and do a little show. We saw them after one of the shows in the main theater. The performers came into the Sunshine Atrium and danced and entertained the passengers. We've seen the violin trios performing there. One of our favorite spots on board. There's so many cool bars on the ship that it's easy to forget about the Atrium Bar after the first day when you board, but it is a really cool spot. So be sure to check out the Sunshine Atrium and Bar. Number 7. Number 7 is going to be Bonsai Sushi.
Yes, please.
Now, yes. Unlike some of the other Carnival ships where they have just basically like a walk-up sushi place, this has an actual sushi restaurant with sushi chefs making your food as you order it. Sushi rolls, appetizers, noodles and soups, a lot of great food. You can even get some sake, but we really liked the sushi there, and the service was amazing.
Yeah.
A great spot to go for lunch, dinner. They tend to be open.
Watch them make the sushi. It's amazing.
That's right. Yeah, you can sit there at the sushi bar. They also have separate tables. So depending on the size of your group, you've got a lot of great places to sit. And they tend to be open, at least on our sailing, they were open later in the evening. So if you're hankering for a second dinner or a snack, go to Bonsai Sushi.
That's right.
It's
really good.
Yeah, we liked it. What's number 8?
Number 8 is the morning show.
The morning show. What's that?
The morning show is where they happen to have it in the morning.
Yeah. Each day, the cruise.
Each day, and they tell you what's on the itinerary for the day.
Yep.
If it's a port day, they tell you what the port is like and what shops to visit and what areas to avoid. And
it's lighthearted and fun and funny, and the audience gets involved, and it's a lot of fun, a lot of laughs. And if you don't want to go there in person, you can also, they usually put it on the big screen TV on the Lido deck. So you can go there and you can watch it from there, sitting while you're enjoying the sun.
Or in your stateroom.
Or you can watch it later in the stateroom too.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's a good way to get up to speed on a daily basis with what's going on the Carnival Sunshine, and that's the morning show. So I definitely recommend that. They've got a lot of other great shows, don't get me wrong, entertainment and all that kind of stuff. But for information and fun at the same time,
that's right.
Morning show.
They'll let you know what deals are going on that day in the shops.
You're focusing on the shopping an awful lot.
Let's
move on to the 9th thing that we think you'll love about Carnival Sunshine, and that is the Alchemy Bar.
Oh, yeah.
The Alchemy Bar is where the craft cocktails are made by the mixologists. A cool spot with this kind of alchemy theme. They're there in their lab coats, whipping up these very original and inventive recipes, craft cocktails from mixologists at Alchemy Bar. You won't want to miss that. They have it on other Carnival ships, but we really enjoyed the experience on Carnival
They're so cool
Sunshine.
to watch, you know.
Just even watching them make the drinks,
The orange around the rim.
And other stuff too.
Yeah.
So I like it better when they pour the liquor in. With that note, let's go to our 10th thing you'll love about Carnival Sunshine, and that is the crew.
The crew. You took my thunder.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was yours. Sorry. The crew.
Exactly.
And why do we like the crew?
They make your cruise. I highly believe they totally make your cruise.
Yeah.
The crew on the Sunshine are always happy.
Yep.
They have the best attitude.
Yeah. If you want more information on the Carnival Sunshine, we've got other videos, but I also got to mention another channel that we're YouTube friends with, and that's Hannah and Lori at Journey of the Gingers, and they have gone on the Carnival Sunshine a lot, and I've linked in the description below one of their videos so you can find their channel and see their latest series of videos from the Carnival Sunshine. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to see more cruise information like this, give you some tips. We have tip videos, a lot of information about different ships and our own experiences cruising. Join the Cruise Day Fun by subscribing down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Just click the thumbs up icon below and let us know that you liked that.